Angelica Daniel Ureningi na wa gavana wa tene kaunti ya Meru KIRAITU MURUNGI na NOGOKA NAARUA kwao nja MURUNGURUNE Imenti South. Angelica uria wetitwo ni mwathani ari na miaka nkurukia 90 akwire kiumia kithiru nyuma ya mbanjo ya kagita gakai atongeria mwanya amwe na ACOORE nibaikinyirie mathikone jaja kwigika njeu akiaria minister wa ARIMI na ndeithia mithika LINTURI augite ati gwiritwe ni untu bwana mbaye nini ya ARIMI bara bachiandikithitie kaunti ya Meru akibore guchiandikithia na wingi kiri mukondo jo mweri jwa kenda mutugikare no ina ripoti ja.
My mother was very generous. My mother haved fun. Whenever there was a village ceremony of any kind, my mother was there, dancing as if there is no tomorrow. My mother was very lucky. Even after all that suffering, no, she was the mother of Mheshimiwa, the mother of the MP, the mother of the minister, the mother of the governor, the mother of the senator, and all that. Which other woman here was?
Ningabana wagatene KIRAITU MURUNGI akiaria kiri kiatho kia muthia kuringiria ngina wa muciari Angelica Daniel kiatho kiria gikujiri ni atongeria baingi bagi siasa na ACOORE aria gutithirwe gwikujirwa siasa nombi na waziri wa URIMI kiri mongo jwa Kenya mithika LINTURI akiaria kiatho ni giki ethira akiuga watenganiri ni ARIMI bara beyandikithitie kuma Meru.
And from the records that I have, I'm not satisfied by the number of farmers registered from MERU. And I want to ask you, because from the 1st of September, we are registering farmers again. Please take that opportunity. The county commander, commissioner, and the NJAA administration is supervising this exercise. So please, wale hawako wanajiandikisha kama wakulima, tafadhali mufike munjiandikishe. Those numbers are very critical for me.
Na ugite gitumi ya kuyandikithia ni gutigira arimi baba ne bakugunika na mautethio kathomba kuma kiri thirikari.
Because these numbers are the ones that will be able to make us plan. So what support we will be able to give you. The fertilizer subsidy that we are running currently, kama unjaandikishwa uwezi kupata fertilizer. Kwa hivyo, and we are moving into the next phase ya kupeana subsidies ya mbegu including semen ya ng'ombe zetu, because we also want to double dairy production in the country.
Kingi mithika na ugite kwegita ri arimi bambirite ukitha mpembe kuma miundene ni bongerete mashini cha kumya mpembe ukire nchuku ya thirikari rere mutindwa akiuga bone kenda bakanyi ya sarere kujairwa nyumene.
Ninaona kuna mahindi mengi sana ambayo watu wamelima. Some places people have started harvesting those signs of Gyaki huku pande ya Dhimangiri and those other areas. And I want to tell you that we have dryers now at the Meru NSPB depot. I'm bringing in some more 100 dryers, some that are portable, which we want to take to the farmers so that we're able to minimize the post-harvest losses ili chakula yetu isiharibiwe na aflatoxin.
Na kire arimi ba majani.
And promise you have better bonus this year. Remember, the government committed 1.7 billion shillings, which we gave to KTD as subsidized fertilizer, and that really has reduced the cost of production. And I expect now this year mambo itakuwa mzuri zaidi.
Na muthiene bamwe batongeria ni baugite ngwataniro irio bekite mpathu cia gisiasa nthi nirio ngwataniro iu ikomba kureta mirandi ya witi na mbere ja Meru.
Naye gavana Koera Mwangaza akimake Meru happy, and I'm happy because KIRAITU MURUNGI siku nyingine nimesikia pia ukisema wewe ni chief happiness officer. Kwa hivyo naona hiyo safari inaendelea vizuri.
No tubeiro antu bethera bena ndoka ukethea kwina kwathukana ateateka atongoria utinto bio antu barora batongoriti bomba kwithia bakiona.
Despite Ruto knowing I didn't vote for him, aliniita na LINTURI, asante sana, na MP wa Meru, mkanitetea, and Ruto called me. Akaniambia sasa, wewe ndugu ulipotea na tulikuambia, lakini sasa kama kuja tufanye kazi. So akanirudisha kwa Ministry of Energy.
Kuma Murungurune wandine ya Bogeta West gicigo mbunge kia South Imenti nkiripoti randeto cia weru wikendi ria kwarietwo ni Mutungi Kare.